special delivery here. Quite the package in front of me. I'm told to hit this button to unveil the brand new D brand grip. So here we go. Oh my. Here we have the grip installed on an iPhone 10. So the reason for this package is because of the technology inside of the new D brand grip. It's called D3O and it's in this container right over here. This is a patented material, which is like nothing I've seen, and you're gonna understand why in a moment here. You probably also can see that I've got a mallet, and you know I'm gonna be inflicting some damage. Hopefully this material here can stop the damage from happening. It looks like some kind of slime or goo, but that's its resting stage. And that, I mean, that's satisfying on its own. I might just go ahead and do that the whole up and down and, well, you know I have a thing for that, so. This is the magic right here. And it is quite strange. Your standard slime or goo, but you'll notice that as it kind of falls down under its own weight, there's something that's satisfying right there. It's almost like liquid. This allows this stuff to be formed into various shapes and be used in all types of different equipment, including hockey equipment. When force is applied to it, the molecules bunch up. Look at that. They bunch up and they become resistant. So it's soft to my touch. I can easily poke it, but when force is applied, look at that. It completely changes its behavior. So the scientific term for this type of behavior is called non-Newtonian. Now I know what you're saying. I've seen this stuff before. It's called oobleck. It's cornstarch and water. No. That's not what this is. That material, it liquefies way faster, and because of that, can't really be used in commercial applications like a phone case. Now you've seen this mallet sitting over here, and you know I'm not gonna tease you like that. I'm gonna need a participant. I'm gonna need a volunteer. And a volunteer we have. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while. Say hello to your favorite guest here on Unbox Therapy, although Willie Doo will dispute that. His name is Mo! Yeah. Mo is going to wrap his hand in the D3O, and I'm gonna give him the old one too! Because that's what you wanted. You're sick! You're twisted. Ah! You think you're tough, Mo, huh? So you want this stuff in your life. It's obviously very cool, and you can get it in the D brand grip. It's in the corners here. There it is. You're getting this same tech right here, but in grip form. You probably also noticed the new black camo and changes depending on the angle. That's kind of a cool look. So the grip is on Indiegogo right now. It's got like 2-3 days left, and the whole concept here is you pick a skin, you put a skin on your device, and then you put the grip around the outside. It's also super grippy, as the name implies. It's not gonna slide off of a surface. It's easy to hold on to, and so on. That's where it gets its name from. You're not giving up your click. There's no click sacrifice. Click for days there. Oh baby. All right, I'll just be here for a bit. Starting up my new channel. It's gonna be a slime channel. It's called a pivot. All right. Somebody's gotta be thinking about the future of Unbox Therapy. No? Yeah. All right. Good night.